Hello, my name is Jack. I'm back. Fuck! I didn't want to rhyme. Now I sound like a dumbass. Hi, my name is Jack. We return again. It hasn't been. It's been a year since the last cooking video, but it hasn't been a year since my last video. So that's the important part. I'm really ramping up the upload schedule here. It's 8:42. I don't know what I'm gonna eat. I'm still not really that hungry. I don't know if this is just gonna be like a hangout session where I do some dumb shit. You know, someone told me that I curse too much. You're right. How about I mix a drink? Let's really sophisticated drink. We ready for the 7-Up ASMR again? Here we go. I didn't milk that one as much. I'm losing my touch. I'm going to teach you the ancient art of stuffing maraschino cherries onto a straw, because I don't like turtles. It is hot out. It's about... Does that say 60? Hang on, stop the press. Oh, good Lord above, it's 61 outside. That is hot. And if you say 61 is not hot, I could fight you. I'm stronger than you. The cold has hardened me into a dangerous individual. Rose's grenadine is the absolute best brand. The brand is Rose's. It's grenadine. I'm fucking stupid. Roses. It's good. There ain't no damn cherries in this. Yeah. I'm an old man who likes his rest, his beauty sleep, and it's getting late in the day, Quit laughing at me. 8 is late. I need to stop rhyming. All right, so no cherries. Fine. Don't need these. Oh, yuck. All right, so I'm going to show you the art of putting the correct amount of grenadine in a Shirley Temple. I dropped it in the can. What have I done? What have I done? So, what you do? You take it, you go like this, you go, and then you're done. Make someone else a Shirley Temple, which you should be doing anyways, and share. Sharing is caring. Except if you don't care, well, that really does away with the whole sharing thing, doesn't it? Sharing is caring. But I don't care. So now that we have this, make sure to properly dispose of your paper into your local ocean. How about the state of local politics? Not local politics. Local is in the U.S. I don't know. I live in the country. Kind of wild, That guy doing stuff. I don't get political. It's a fucking lie. We should burn the government down. Abolish tax. Okay, you know what? I don't get on this rant very often, but taxation is unconstitutional. Can we all just agree on that? Taxation is entirely unconstitutional. If we're all going to be capitalists here, God forbid, and pretend that we're in this capitalist utopia, what is taxation? It's disguised communism, right? And it's like shitty communism because you're not, it's just communism. It's not like socialism where your goal is to spread it evenly. All you're doing is just taking it from everyone except the upper percent because they utilize the tax loopholes. So they're fine. And they can pay the big bucks to get a CPA that does enough coke in the mirror to say, all right, this Lamborghini is a business expense. I'm getting really sick of this two-party system too. The right sucks, the left sucks. They're both knuckin' futs. At least we're not Australia, which is funny because Australians say at least we're not America. They have Vegemite, and that's a viable food there. So I think we're arguably more sane. Their mortality rate is increased by kangaroos and fucking snakes, man, and spiders and wallabies and the fucking wombats. They're going around biting people, giving them rabies. How's your day? Speak up. No one can hear you. If you're being a little bitch. Politicians are 99.10% corrupt. You can't trust a damn politician. Which is unfortunate because I'm friends with some. But he'll never watch this video. Taxation is not constitutional. Okay? It's not. Guns are, taxes not. We should use the guns to abolish taxes. You know what I'm saying? And just pew pew. You know, I have a wife and kids. Yeah, not anymore. You know what I'm saying? Don't do that. But if you did it, I'm going to laugh a little bit, and I'm not going to be mad at you. That's my guarantee. What the fuck am I saying? All right, this would make more sense if I was actually inebriated right now, but I'm just tired. Don't call me an old man. I know it's 9. You know what's fucked up? The deforestation of koalas habitats in Australia, specifically the New South Wales area. It is so bad. Third world countries have better deforestation rates than Australia. And most first world countries have better deforestation rates. Australia's just fucked, man. I feel bad for those smooth-brained idiots. They're on the path to extinction a little bit, which is just kind of sad. Now the real question is, do I ever upload this, or does this get lost to the archive of pain? I got a fucking instant headache from that. Okay, fine, I'll upload this garbage. Ah! I should make cookie dough. But I'm not gonna, because if I do, I'm gonna shit my pants. Alright, so let's go over the main points. Taxation is unconstitutional. Overthrow your government. Don't drink and drive. That's a good callback. Don't drink and drive. You know, don't be that guy. Not to get too serious, or I'm gonna kick you in the balls. If you get serious, or if you drink and drive, I'm gonna do both. And if you don't have balls, I'm gonna give you balls and then kick them. We're all talking about transition surgery and it's scary shit. I'm going to give you involuntary transition surgery and then kick you in the new balls. How's that for a threat? I think that's pretty good. I think it's drugs time. I'm getting a little bit bored of not taking drugs, so. I fucking did it. Okay, you know what? Here's my fourth point. My fourth point is drink water. Water, its molecular name, dihydrogen monoxide, H2O. Di meaning two, and mon meaning one, or mono, but, you know, monoxide. It's not monooxide, unless you're a freaking nerd. You guys have a good night. I need to stop talking.